Introducing Sphero. And I need you to type in Sphero, S-P-H-E-R-O, edu. And go to get the app. You need to hit it, get it from the Microsoft. And get it. X out of that. And open your Microsoft Store. Okay, just open your Microsoft Store. And once it loads, you will hit install. Now you hit launch. And now we hit sign up. And you hit sign up with Google. Click allow. Now you will choose your role as a learner and enter in your birthday. Now you'll connect the robot. The robot's name will appear upon it after it shows the lightning bolt and the battery. It is SBF8117. So click bolt. So SBF8117. Oh wait, 17. Sorry. Now we set it on the computer. The robot is turning on. So now we are able to drive our robot. We place him on the floor and click drive. Now you have many options. W is forward. S is backwards. A is sideways. And D is sideways. Okay, W, S, A, and now we are also able to change our speed, faster and slower. Now look at our robot, it's way slower. We are also able to change our aim. The blue tail is the tail, so when you are done, if the tail is facing you, W is forward, the opposite direction. You are also able to change your brightness. Make it dimmer or make it super bright. So now we go to programs. It's always best to choose one by Sphero. The ones that I like to use is called the Robotics Mission Neil Armstrong. We click the View Program to watch it work. It'll start as a blank canvas, and then you are able to add blocks. So we can tell it to roll at 185 degrees at the speed of 207 for 5 seconds.